Hello everyone, and welcome back to another video. Today we're diving into one of the most iconic cases in British contract law, Carlill versus Carbolic Smoke Ball Co from 1893. If you've ever wondered how certain promises can become legally binding, this case is a great place to start. In this video, we'll break down the facts of the case, explore the key legal issues, and discuss the court's decision. By the end, you'll understand why this case is a cornerstone of contract law. Ready to get started? Let's jump in. Alright, let's start with the facts of the case. In Carlill versus Carbolic Smoke Ball Co, the Carbolic Smoke Ball Co ran an advertisement in a newspaper promoting their product, the Carbolic Smoke Ball. Their ad claimed that anyone who used their product according to the instructions but still caught influenza would receive a £100 reward. To prove they were serious, they even deposited £1,000 into a bank account to cover the reward payments. Mrs. Carlill, the claimant, saw the ad, bought the smoke balls, used them as instructed, but still caught influenza. She then tried to claim the £100 reward from the company. The Carbolic Smoke Ball Co refused to pay, arguing that the advertisement was not a serious offer but rather a mere puff or exaggerated claim. They also argued that an offer couldn't be made to the whole world and that Mrs. Carlill hadn't technically accepted the offer, among other objections. So, what were the main legal issues in this case? 1. Was the advertisement an offer or just an invitation to treat? 2. Did Mrs. Carlill's actions constitute acceptance of the offer? 3. Was there consideration for the contract? Let's break these down. The Court of Appeal had to decide whether the advertisement was a genuine offer or merely an invitation to treat. The court found that the ad was indeed a unilateral offer, meaning it was an offer to anyone who fulfilled the conditions stated, namely, using the smoke balls correctly and still catching influenza. Mrs. Carlill's use of the smoke balls as instructed and contracting influenza constituted acceptance of the offer. The court ruled that her actions met the conditions laid out in the advertisement, thus forming a contract. As for consideration, the court determined that the use of the smoke balls constituted consideration. Even though Mrs. Carlill did not pay for the smoke balls specifically to get the reward, her purchase and use of the product were sufficient consideration for the contract. In conclusion, the Court of Appeal ruled in favor of Mrs. Carlill. They decided that the advertisement was a unilateral offer, that Mrs. Carlill had accepted the offer by fulfilling the conditions, and that there was valid consideration for the contract. The company's attempt to dismiss the offer as a mere puff and other arguments were rejected by the court. And that's the case of Carlill versus Carbolic Smoke Ball Co. This case is a classic example of how offers can be made to the entire world and how acceptance can occur through performance of the terms. It's a landmark case that continues to influence contract law to this day. If you enjoyed this case breakdown and want to see more legal discussions, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. Drop a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, keep learning and stay curious about the world of law.